So guys, I finally got a new carry-on bag for my traveling. I'm so excited. This is from the brand Level 8. As you guys can see, this thing glides like nobody's business. It has 360 wheels. You guys can hear how quiet they are. And I'm on a hardwood floor. It's, what is it called? German engineered polycarbonate. I can't pronounce the first word. It'll be on the screen for you guys. But it's industrial. It has a TSA approved lock on here. It has a handle right here. It also has a handle on the side. It's nice and lightweight, but it's sturdy. And to me, like, what sets this apart is this nice long bar on the back here. So this handle is long. It has a little button here. You press in, you pull the handle up, you press it in, put the handle back down. But this, the wheeling, amazing, amazing. With the lock, once you set it, your zipper, you cannot move it. So right now I have it set at 0, so I'm just going to slide the release. It unhooks the zippers and you can unzip the suitcase. So you can see right here, it has a slot for your wet items. It has storage down here as well. So down here you can put clothes. So you get all this room in here as well to put items. And this is going to help because it's mesh and it's stretchy, so it's going to help compress and push those items down while still allowing everything to breathe. So you get a lot of storage. And this is a 20-inch carry-on.
This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love.
You guys, this thing can hold so much. That thing is full. It is full. And if I wanted to really try, I could put some more in there. But you want to be conscious of the weight. But she's holding. Crazy. Crazy. So like I said, I have a 20-inch carry-on, but you can definitely get different sizes. If you want a full-size luggage, a smaller, medium option, there's different sizes, different colors, all on Level 8. I'll have a link for it down below in the description bar for you guys. If I have a discount code, I'll put it there for you as well. Right now, I can't recall, but if I do, it'll be there as well. Alright, I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.